What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building again, and I'm about to go over this 22 AR-15 that I have. You guys already seen the KelTec. And KelTec, I decided to switch up the sights on it. You know, a lot of people told me that the KelTec needed a smaller sight because the other one was big and bulky. So I listened, hey, hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think about this, this sight on it. Does that look better? I mean, it kind of matches up with the brace, that and that. So, hey, hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think about that. But this is what the video is supposed to be about, all right? This is going to be over my HK 416 22 long rifle, all right? So this is a gun I've had for a little while now, and I ain't really did too much with it as far as videos go. But, I've shot it a few times. And it shoots okay, and I guess I'm more of a big bullet guy, but I guess 22s have its place. So I have a couple of 22s. So this is the HK 416, and what I've done to this is added a couple of rails. See, this right here was the M-LOK system on here, so I put some red rails on it, and put another rail here on the bottom, so I could put a little foregrip on it. And I mainly grip this like this, and what can I say about this guy? It's an all right shooter. I was shooting it and I had a couple of problems with it cycling. But that might be due to the ammo that I use, so I'm not going to hold that against it just yet. But, for the most part, this is a good shooting weapon. This is a very good shooting weapon, and, with the sight on it, it is very accurate. And this is a good practice gun, a very good practice gun. And basically, this gun is 25 rounds. I have a 25 round magazine right here. Have a 10 round magazine right here. But right now we're going with the 25 round magazine. And I will say that I like shooting it. There is absolutely no recoil in it. And when it is on a good run and, you have good rounds in it, it just goes all the way through the magazine, no issues, no problems. And let's see, I put the barrel muzzle brake on it, and not that you really need a brake on a 22, but I went on and put that on there. It looks pretty good on it, and I guess it does what it's supposed to do. And I have another buttstock on it, and to be completely honest with you, the only reason I put this buttstock on it is because it has this red circle on it, and I wanted the red to match with the sight and with the rails. So that is the only reason why I chose this one. But it slides, it extends, it collapses, and works good. It works good, and the gun actually feels great in the hand. I mean, you know, I don't have anything bad to say about this. And, you know, this does shoot bullets that won't go through your neighbor's house if you were to have something like this for your home protection. And I generally do not use smaller calibers for home protection. I use larger calibers. I mean, you know, to be honest with you, I have like this right here has been my bedside. I've been using this for the bedside, and this right here, I have not had a single jam, a single failure, a single anything go wrong with this weapon. And I have actually added a flashlight to it. And, you know, I've changed the sight out on this one as well, because I actually like these sights a whole lot. You know, these sights work very well. So, you know, and also, you know, if things were to ever really go bad, then, you know, we always have something like this to snatch out and, you know, make everybody run. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is by Zastava ZPAP M85, and, you know, as you see, I've done a few things to this, and, you know, nice weapon. I like it. I like it. You know, so as far as home protection goes, there are plenty of options to use other than a 22, but this is a good weapon if you want to get out on the range and practice and, you know, do a little plinking or whatever. And if it came down to it, I mean, somebody got hit with this, they wouldn't want to get hit again, you know. And then especially with the cycle rate is, you know, the trigger is decent on it, and, you know, you putting a lot of rounds on target due to the fact that it does not have any recoil. I mean, I'm pretty sure that you can defend yourself with this, but I prefer larger rounds. Just make that be known. And a lot of people have been asking about this. They've seen this in a lot of my videos. This is a work in progress. I'm still working on this, trying to figure out exactly how I want to do this. But, you know, as for now, I got a 20 rounds of 9mm in this. So, you know, I have a lot of different options that I would personally go to for home protection. But, you know, hey, if you have this, it's better than nothing. Let me say that. It's better than nothing. And it is absolutely awesome for practicing, absolutely awesome for, you know, plinking, and, you know, just, you know, all around good 22. If you're looking for a 22, you know, I would suggest this for a 22. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I would also suggest this for a 22, So, all right, Johnny Snow.